Welcome! Thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly and I'm from the Bingham Creek branch of the County Library. Today I want to show you how to make this suncatcher. You make it from coloring pages and you can use lots of supplies that you probably already have on hand. It's easy and it's a great way to use your own or your kids' artwork. Here are some supplies you'll need: coloring pages, coloring pencils, string or twine, a canning jar lid, cotton balls, and oil. First, color your coloring page. Then trace a ring around one of your pictures. Use a canning jar lid. Cut it out. Now, to make the paper transparent, we're going to dab it with oil and then let it dry for 5 minutes. While your picture is drying, you can add a hanger to your lid. Take your twine, cut about 2.5 feet, wrap it around the ring, tie it off at the top, and leave about 6 inches or so to use to hang your can lid with. Next, glue that dried circle of paper inside the canning jar ring. Here's an extra step you can do. I had some beads at home, so to make mine a little more decorative, I strung them on the hanger, that little piece of twine, and then I tied it off to get them to stay. And that's all. There's your suncatcher. This is a really easy and fun project to do at home, especially with kids, and I hope you'll try it and have fun. Thanks.